When someone yawns, I unknowingly yawn along too, right? Did you know that this isn't just a simple habit? Scientists point to empathy as the reason yawning is contagious. It's because our brains unconsciously mimic the emotions of others. Research shows that yawning is more contagious, especially among close relationships like family and friends. This is a sign that we understand each other better. There is also a theory that yawning spread to increase the group's vigilance evolutionarily. When one person yawns, everyone wakes up, which has the effect of preparing for danger. If you're yawning while watching this video, it's proof that your empathy is strong. If you're curious about more fascinating trivia, don't forget to like and subscribe.